In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Jotform with Monday.com. If you're looking to streamline your workflow by connecting forms with your project management tools, you're in the right place. Let's dive right into the process so you can get started quickly. First, head over to your Monday.com account. If you're not already on the site, open your browser and navigate to Monday.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log in. You'll find the login option conveniently located at the upper right corner of your screen. Simply click on it and it will prompt you to enter your login details. If this is your first time logging in, you might be asked to authenticate using Google or an email that's linked to your Monday.com account. Just follow the on-screen instructions and you'll gain access to your workspace. For those who have logged in previously, you'll be directly taken to your Monday workspace where you can see all your boards and projects at a glance. Now that you're signed in, let's jump to the integration part. Look closely at the upper right corner of your workspace. There you'll see an Integrate button. Click on it to open the Integration Center. This center provides a variety of apps and tools you can connect with Monday.com. Once the Integration Center is open, locate the search box. In the search box, type Jotform. This will help you find the Jotform app quickly. After you've entered the name, Jotform should appear in the results. Click on Jotform to select it. Then proceed to install the app into your Monday.com workspace. After the app is successfully installed, you'll be able to explore different automation templates that are available for use. These templates are designed to streamline various tasks and processes, making it easier to integrate data from your Jotforms directly into your Monday.com boards. Take a moment to explore the options and choose the automations that best fit your needs. It's important to note that before you can fully use the integration, you'll need to sign into your Jotform account. This step is crucial because it authenticates your access and ensures a smooth data flow between the two platforms. Follow the prompts to sign in and you should be all set. And there you have it, a simple, effective way to integrate Jotform with Monday.com. By using these steps, you can enhance your workflow efficiency and enjoy seamless data integration without a hassle. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.